This is the Arrowhead brass PK8012LK or loose key stem assembly for the Arrowhead 450 and 480 series faucets. Now, the loose key stem assemblies, instead of having the splined end to connect a handle, it's going to have a squared, and that allows you to connect the key. Now, another difference between this and the regular stems is instead of having a large nut, you're going to have a rounded, almost like sleeve. And then down to that hex nut, that's going to allow you to put a wrench on there and tighten it down to the faucet. The stem's also going to come with that brass square end with that rubber seat washer and Phillips head screw, as well as the nylon washer that'll sit between the nut on the stem and the faucet. Now, measuring the stem, we're going to measure the same way as any other one. Measure from the square end all the way down to the Phillips head screw. Easiest way we found to do it: hook your tape measure to the head of that Phillips head screw, come all the way down. You can see that's going to measure right at about 16 inches from tip to tip. And once again, this is the Arrowhead brass PK8012 loose key stem assembly.